What's good, foodie fam? Welcome and welcome back to Plant Based Palates. I'm Fiamma Jean, your resident plant-based foodie. I don't know if y'all know, apparently there are like 30 non-dairy vegan yogurts on the market. So naturally, I had to buy a few and try them out. Today's video is dedicated to taste testing 10 different plant-based yogurts. In Whole Foods, there were so many to choose from, but I wasn't about to break the bank on yogurts because this is not a sponsored video. So I grabbed the 10 that looked the most interesting. But wait, have you hit that subscribe button yet? If not, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. And tell all your friends so they can subscribe and like and hit the bell too, so we can explore all of this vegan goodness together. When you're new to veganism or when you're trying new foods, sometimes it is a complete letdown and disappointment. So I am here to taste test for you, to save you time and coins, because nobody has time to be wasting money on whack ass food. Now, which one do we start with? Let's start with the Colina. Colina? That feels right. It is a plant-based and dairy-free yogurt cultured with probiotics, and the flavor is bourbon vanilla. I'm gonna tell you all right now, I did not get all the same flavor for the yogurts, and I probably should have, but bourbon vanilla, like, who's saying no to that? I bought this one because it's a woman-owned brand. Love that. And the packaging's really cute. On the label it says, bear with me y'all, I know I'm wearing glasses, but I still can't see with the damn. I need a new prescription. Okay, the label reads, crafted from, it doesn't say crafted. It does not say those words. It says craft fermented. Lord, reading is fundamental. 18 plus hours for an impossibly thick plant-based yogurt with space-time continuum disrupting probiotics. I don't know what that means, but I'm into it. So the ingredients are organic hand-shucked coconut water, organic maple syrup, Madagascar bourbon, vanilla agar, and probiotics. Love this. 6 simple ingredients. Absolutely love this. There's nothing worse than a watery yogurt. Like, consistency is really important to me. Yes, love that snap. Ooh, I like the way this looks. It smells yogurty. It looks really, really thick. I don't know if you can see that. All right, let's try the first bite. Oh, it's really thick. Really, really, really thick. I'm into a thick yogurt. Absolutely love how sour it is. This is really good. Very thick, very creamy. It's not too sweet. I love the vanilla taste. This is so good. I don't quite taste bourbon, but I don't like bourbon, so I'm fine with that. Very tasty. $3.79 is pricey for a 5-ounce yogurt, but still good. The next yogurt we're gonna try is by Oatly. The original Oatly Ochre. Yogurt, ochre. See what you did there? It's cute. Non-dairy, full-fat yogurt alternative, and this is strawberry with fruit on the bottom. The Oatly strawberry has no dairy, no nuts, and no gluten. 160 calories, and the ingredients list is exhaustive. Bear with me, y'all. Oat milk, water and oats, strawberry fruit jam, and the jam has strawberries, water, cane sugar, tapioca starch, pectin, natural flavor, lemon juice concentrate, vegetable juice for color, and citric acid. Whoa, these eyes of mine. Low uric acid rapeseed oil. Gonna have to Google that. Potato starch contains 2% or less of dextrose, pea protein, potato protein, calcium carbonate, gar gum, tricalcium phosphate, locust bean gum, live active cultures. And now we're getting into the big words that I can't pronounce. Thermophilus. And there's like 4 other words that I can't pronounce, and I'm not about to embarrass myself on here. So let's taste it. I don't love this one. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. So I'm into thickness. This one isn't incredibly thick. This is like the consistency of regular yogurt versus a Greek yogurt. I mean, it's all right. There's fruit at the bottom. Let's try the fruit at the bottom. I'm gonna pass. I feel like yogurt should be sour and have that like tanginess, and it has a little bit of it, but not much. The strawberry jam at the bottom, kind of pointless. Doesn't really add anything for me. Gotta taste it a few times, right, to make sure you really don't like it. I'm not into it. It's reasonably priced, but it's nasty. Let's move on. In case you're wondering, we are not about to waste this yogurt. I'm gonna put them in little individual containers and pop them right back in the fridge. I don't waste food. I will be finishing them, even if I don't like them. Next is Siggi's plant-based coconut blend. Toasted coconut, non-dairy. 190 calories. I don't know why I'm telling you all the calories. I don't know if you care. I don't really care, but just figured I'd compare them to see if it was relevant. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Do you care about the calories? The ingredients are coconut milk, water, coconut cream, pea protein, cane sugar, sugar, coconut oil, macadamia nuts, tapioca flour, natural flavor. What exactly is natural flavor? When people say natural flavor, what does that really mean? If it's a natural flavor, can you just tell me what the flavor is coming from? Just me? Fruit pectin, live active cultures. Let's get to it. Already into the consistency. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, Siggies. I like this a lot. I like the consistency as well. It's not runny. This toasted coconut flavor is really good. I like the subtleness of the coconut. I almost wish it had like pieces of coconut inside of it. This is really good. 3 times more protein than the leading yogurt alternatives. Go off then, Siggies. I am pleasantly surprised and pleased with these vegan yogurts. I'm into it. Before becoming vegan, I used to have yogurt every morning for breakfast with nuts and dried fruit or frozen fruit. It was just an easy, quick breakfast, especially after a long workout before I needed to head to the office. And when I first became vegan, I wasn't a big fan of the vegan yogurts. They were really chalky and like weird. The consistency was whack or really bad aftertaste. Right now, I'm surprised. Let's try another one. The Coconut Cult. 8 servings per jar. Consume within 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, it comes with instructions, so I'm a little nervous. 25 billion probiotics per serving. You can enjoy your yogurt by itself or as a probiotic boost in your morning smoothie. Got it. I'm not nervous anymore. Cute packaging as well. 8 servings. Don't double dip. Keep other food particles out. It smells like a foot. I'm only gonna have a little bit because I'm nervous. I'm gonna blame this on me because I think I'm doing it wrong. This is a hard no. This is wrong. This is rude. My taste buds feel assaulted. I was not prepared. Someone should have told me. Hard? No. Okay, let's move on. Nancy's probiotic oat milk non-dairy yogurt. You're up, girl. Let's see what you're working with, Nancy. I already know why I got this one. The flavor is strawberry hibiscus. Right? Like, hello. Nancy's probiotic non-dairy yogurt, free of dairy, gluten, soy, and nuts. 110 calories, and the ingredients list is as follows. Oat milk, fava bean protein, organic cane sugar, strawberry puree, tapioca flour, coconut oil, concentrate, but in parentheses it says hibiscus and apple, so that's what the concentrate is. Strawberry natural flavor. I need help. Like, why are we saying strawberry natural flavor? Why don't we just say strawberry? I don't know. I don't get it. Hibiscus natural flavor. Vegetable juice, agar, citric acid, live non-dairy yogurt cultures, thermophilus, and bulgarisis. Ooh, that color is pretty. I like that. It's a little runny though. I'm a little excited about Nancy's probiotic oat milk non-dairy yogurt and strawberry hibiscus. Come on, girl. It's a little like gelatinous, but it's not necessarily runny, but it's not thick. Like it's probably gonna come off my spoon. Yep. Okay, that's fine. It starts off real good. Then it goes downhill. We're not gonna keep playing with that. That's fine. It starts off real cute. Like, it's gonna do a little razzle dazzle. It doesn't razzle dazzle. I wanted to like it. We have 5 yogurts left. The next one we're going to try is Forager organic dairy-free cashew milk yogurt, and it's vanilla bean. This one's runny. I already don't like it. This one has 140 calories, and the ingredients are cashew milk, cane sugar, tapioca starch, pectin, locust bean gum, natural flavor, vanilla beans, lemon juice concentrated, coconut cream, and live active cultures. It's okay. It's totally edible. I'm gonna try this one. So Delicious has key lime coconut milk yogurt alternative, and it's made with organic coconut. It has 130 calories, and the ingredients list is organic coconut milk, water, organic coconut cream, organic cane sugar, key lime puree, rice starch, calcium citrate, pectin, natural flavor, live and active cultures, lime juice concentrate. Lord, these words are blurry. Come on, eyes, get it together. And vitamin B12. Let's give it a go, shall we? It smells very limey. This one has the consistency of regular yogurt as well. The first taste is really good. As I'm eating it, it's like growing on me, but it has a weird aftertaste. It might be the lime. This one's in the middle. Put that one to the side. We have 3 more flavors to try. Let's Let's do the Kite Hill vanilla. On the label it says now creamier. Love that. Artisanal almond milk yogurt. It is vanilla flavored and the ingredients are almond milk, water, almonds, cane sugar, starch, citrus fiber, natural flavors, vanilla extract, locust bean gum, citric acid, xanthan gum, vanilla bean seeds, and live active cultures. It has the consistency of regular yogurt. This tastes like chalk. Chalk with sugar. I'm gonna put the lid back on that. We have two more. Next up is Silk's Vanilla Dairy-Free Yogurt Alternative made with soy. Let's read the ingredients, shall we? Soy milk, filtered water, soybean, cane sugar, cornstarch, pectin, tricalcium phosphate, citric acid, natural flavor, D-potassium phosphate. Don't nobody know what that is. Sea salt, vanilla bean, live and active cultures, tocopherols. Tocopherols? Don't y'all talk about me. Do we have any scientist subscribers? Can y'all tell me what this stuff is? I'm gonna Google it after because now I really want to know. I'm gonna look up all these words. And vitamin C ester to protect freshness. And vitamin D2. I like the vanilla flavor. I'm not a huge fan of soy milk, but even through that, it's actually pretty tasty. So this is too runny for my liking, but with the exception of it being so runny, I'm into it. It's very vanilla-y. Tastes like vanilla extract though, not vanilla bean. But who am I to tell them what's in their yogurt? Up next is another Forager. I got this one because it's Greek style, so it's supposed to be a little bit thicker. It's not thicker. They flat out lied. This is not Greek style. I'm gonna hold my hand here just in case it spills. Can y'all see that moving? Yeah, it was about to spill out. All right, this one has coconut milk, cashew milk, cane sugar, watermelon seed protein. This is my first time seeing watermelon seed protein in anything. Brown rice protein, pumpkin seed protein, tapioca starch, locust bean gum, pectin, natural flavor, lemon juice concentrate, vanilla bean, agar, live active cultures. It's okay. It is not Greek style. I don't really love that aftertaste. Don't know what's happening there. I'm gonna wash that out my mouth. Okay, so here's the verdict of my taste test. The Colina yogurt was hands down my favorite. In fact, I'm gonna finish that one today. It was bomb. It was incredibly thick. The bourbon vanilla flavor was phenomenal. I love the consistency. I love that it's a woman-owned business. The packaging was great. I know that doesn't really matter, but it's the little things. So absolutely love that. I felt like the flavors were tap dancing all over my taste buds. My least favorite, hands down, was the coconut cult. I felt assaulted. I felt violated. I was not prepared for the assault that happened in my mouth. It just was bad. But I was also let down by Nancy's oat milk yogurt as well. When I smelled it, when I looked at it, my eyes were really pleased. I loved the color. I was really excited about the strawberry hibiscus flavor, but total letdown. From this taste test, I recommend 4 of the 10 plant-based and vegan yogurts that we tried today. The Colina, the Siggi's, the Forager coconut, and the Forager vanilla bean. All 4 of them were a pleasant surprise. I recommend you try them if you're looking to add yogurt back into your vegan and plant-based diet. Start with those 4. I'm not necessarily against the Silk and So Delicious. They were just kind of meh. So maybe give them a try too. The other 4 though, I tried them so you don't have to. Trust me, don't do it. Total waste of money, total waste of calories, total waste of time. You know, there's so many vegan yogurts on the market. We only tried 10. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video where we try 10 more yogurts to save you time and save you coins. Do you have a favorite vegan yogurt that I should try? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. We want to make veganism and plant-based diets accessible to everyone in the world. You know, lower some barriers and make it less intimidating. Until next time, friends.